previous class we discussed the concept of slope. So slope is m is equal to tan theta and 2 points are given. Slope of this line is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the 2-point form of a slope, and slope is also given by this where theta is the inclination. And 2-point form of the equation of the line is given by y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. This is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the 2-point form of the straight line. Already we have discussed in some problems of this. So concerned to this were solved. So today we are going to discuss about the slope point form of a straight line. Slope is given, point is given. If slope and point of a straight line are given, then to find the equation of the straight line, we have to derive this expression. So this is the straight line whose slope is m, and one point is given by x comma y. X comma y, it is the general point, and one point is given x1 y1, where x1 y1 is the given point and x comma y is the general point of the straight line whose slope of this line is equal to m. To derive this equation, so it is simple one. We know that, so this is one point, say P, and this one is Q. So using these 2 points, we can find the slope of the line. So therefore, so from the points P x comma y and Q x1 comma y1. So using the 2-point form, we can find the slope. So therefore, slope is given by y1 minus y or y minus y1, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So this is equal to m. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to m. So just take the cross multiplication of this, that is y minus y1 m into bracket x minus x1. So this one is known as the slope point form. So m is the slope, x1 y1 is the given point. So therefore slope point form of the straight line is this equation. So same expression can be derived by using the 2-point form of the straight line. So that is, or y minus y1 x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is nothing but, so this one is the slope. So therefore y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, this is equal to m. So therefore cross multiply these two, y minus y1 equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So therefore this one is the equation of the line using the given expression. So it is 2 marks question. If you are asked to prove that the slope point form of a line, you can use any one of this one. Yes? Now let us solve 2 more problems concerned to this one. Yes. Find the equation of a line whose slope is 3 and passes through 1 comma 4. So you have to find the equation of the line whose slope is 3 and this line passes through 1 comma 4. So therefore write the given things here. Slope m equal to 3 point is x1 y1 equal to 1 comma 4. Therefore slope point form of line is y minus y1 m into bracket x minus x1. So x1 y1 m. Therefore y minus y1 is 4, m is 3, x minus x1 is 1. Therefore y minus 4, take the multiplication, 3x minus 3. So 3x is positive this side, 3x minus y minus 3, this becomes plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So next type problem is find the equation of a line which makes an angle 30 degree with x axis and passes through 3, 2. So here in this problem, the line makes an angle 30 degree with x axis means, so using this inclination, first we have to find the theta, so that is theta equal to 30, we have to find, so slope, and this passes through 3, 2. So again, so using this 30 degree inclination, m, this is slope and point form. Yes. Theta is here equal to 30 degree. Therefore, m equal to tan theta, tan of 30 degree. Therefore, m equal to 1 by root 3. Point is given here. x1, y1 equal to 3, 2. So slope is given, point is given. So therefore slope point form of a line is slope point y minus y1 equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So x1 is 3, y1 is 2, m equal to 1 by root 3. So therefore y minus 2, 1 by root 3, x minus x1 is 3. Now cross multiply this, root 3y minus 2 root 3, this equal to x minus 3. So therefore x is here, x minus, send this to RHS, root 3y minus 3 plus 2 root 3 equal to 0 is the equation of the line. So this is the constant, minus 3 plus 2 root 3 and x minus root 3y. So these are variable. So therefore ax plus by plus c form. So therefore this one is the equation of the straight line.